Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tesla Model Y Autopilot. First, ensure your vehicle is ready for autopilot by being on a suitable road, like a highway. Autopilot offers steering, acceleration, and braking assistance, but remember, it is a driver assistance feature. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel and remain attentive to the road ahead. This system enhances your driving experience, but you are always in control. To begin, let's engage traffic-aware cruise control. Simply pull the right stalk down one time. You will see an icon appear on your display, indicating it is active. Use the scroll wheel on the right stalk to adjust your desired following distance from the vehicle in front. Your Tesla will then automatically maintain a set speed and keep a safe distance, making highway driving much more relaxed. Now for the auto steer feature, which helps keep your car centered. After engaging traffic-aware cruise control, pull the right stalk down 2 times quickly. A blue steering wheel icon will illuminate on your display, confirming auto steer is active. Your Tesla will now automatically steer to stay within its lane markings. Remember to always maintain light pressure on the steering wheel and stay focused on the road. Disengaging autopilot is straightforward and crucial for safety. To disengage, simply push the right stalk up 1 time or gently press the brake pedal. You can also take over steering by applying firm pressure to the steering wheel. The blue icons on your display will disappear, indicating you have full manual control. Always be ready to assume control of your vehicle at any moment for a safe journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.